I'm really excited because finally we are able to launch. Wait for it. Hi, it's Peter here, and let's get right into the business. Well, I'm not gonna tease you any longer. Me, Matti, and Robin, we are having a workshop in Kuala Lumpur next spring. I will tell more details about the whole thing later in this video. But a few words what it is all about. The workshop is called Urban Street Narratives. Well, as the name Urban Street Narratives suggests, it's all about storytelling with images. Not just one image, but during the week of that whole workshop you will be making 3 to 5 image, preferably 5 image story about something. And we are in urban environment, so that's why it's of course urban narratives. So it's more about street photography and in wider perspective about urban photography. So it doesn't have to be the classical street photography, it can be urban landscapes, in my opinion. And we will have assignments for you, specialized assignments just for you during the week. Every day you will have something that adds to your story, because we will start photographing already on Monday and you will start your story. You will be investigating the city and we will take you to different places on different days. And since we have Robin, who is a local in Kuala Lumpur, he's lived there for a long time, and Matti has been there many times. I haven't, so we have a perfect mix. We have a local and a person who's been there many times, and then someone who's looking at it with fresh eyes and has no, well, I do have expectations, of course, but I haven't, or I do not know if the expectations are correct. So I will be looking at the place as a person that's never been there, which is of course a benefit that we have all different levels of experience about Kuala Lumpur, and that totally adds to the content, of course. And then since we all three are quite different, even though you probably have followed all of us over the years that we've been making YouTube videos, we all are photographers, and I especially admire Matti and Robin as photographers and also of course YouTubers, but I think this is more about photography than YouTube. So you will have 3 slightly different approaches and different information and different critique about your photographs. So that will give you 3 different points. And we will have 24 maximum, which means that there is 8 for each of us. And don't worry, you don't have to spend the whole week with one of us. We will switch the groups, or we will switch the instructor for every day. So what it actually means is that when we have photo critique every day, we will divide you into small groups, and each of us will have one group and then another. But you know what I mean. You will be getting information and critique from all of us 3. And I can't stress this enough that it is very valuable to have 3 instructors, because when you go to a workshop, you might have only one instructor and that's only one opinion. Now we got 3, which will add to your palette and tools a lot more. Since, as I said, we do similar type of photography, but with a totally different approach. And we all 3 will have also lectures that we talk about our philosophy. To find out more about the whole workshop, I will have a link in urbanstreetnarratives.com where you can look into what it is all about and the dates, which are March 30th till April the 3rd. So from Monday till Friday, and we will start on Monday afternoon. The mornings are for photography, and then the hottest time of the day we will be inside going through your images, listening to lectures from us. And on Friday you should have a ready 5 image set of images with a urban narrative. And since the group is quite large, which is also a benefit for you, because it's not only us that you learn from. You learn from your own work, of course, but you will learn from others a lot. When you have 24 or 23 plus 3 of us, you will get lots and lots of information. And it's not only about sitting in lectures. As I said, we will have assignments for you every day. We'll go out and shoot in different locations in Kuala Lumpur. So you will also see a lot as a tourist. And of course, there will be some free time for you to photograph and make your story or your urban narrative complete by, adding some images that you're missing. You go back to a certain place, by yourself and photograph. But of course, when they're 24, there are a lot of options to go together or alone. So I think it's a perfect amount of participants in a workshop. The venue is called the GMBB. It's right in Boutique Bitang, I think it is. I hope I said it correct, but I'll put it here. What's the area? And it's a very nice venue where we will have our lectures, and there are a lot of restaurants and cafeterias around and shopping malls, so there's a lot to do. And as I said, we will take you around Kuala Lumpur. And before I talk about the price, let's hear what Robin has to say.
Welcome to Kuala Lumpur. My name is Robin Wong. Together with my friends Peter and Matti, we're going to conduct an awesome photography workshop here for you guys. I can't wait to show you guys around. I'll bring you guys along to my favorite street photography hunting grounds. We are going to do some shutter therapy together. We're going to do some street shooting. You'll see us in action. You can learn from us. You can ask us questions. We're going to have so much fun together. This workshop, it is all about improving your photography. It's all about getting better shots. It is all about storytelling in photography. I really can't wait for this to happen. Please do sign up as soon as possible. We have limited slots. And I can't wait to see you guys here in Kuala Lumpur.
Thanks, Robin. And now, let's talk about the price. Well, how much is all this? We have tried to make the price as low as possible, and during July we will have an early bird registration fee that it's only $300, and then you pay only $1,100 more, so it's $1,400 during July. And then if you register in August or after, then it will be $500 plus $1,100. What I suggest you to do now is go to the urbannarrative.com and check out if this is something for you. And I bet it is, because it's going to be a blast and a lot of fun with 23 other photographers plus Matti, me and Robin. It's going to be a real fun week for just photography. And what's good about workshops is that you have the whole week to concentrate on photography. Because when you go out, when you go abroad and traveling, it's usually with your family and you don't have that time dedicated for a whole week to photograph. You will learn a lot. And after you have decided to roll in, check out Matti's and Robin's videos about the workshop. I hope to see you in Kuala Lumpur next spring. But hey, thanks for watching and bye for now.